Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is engineer Sadaqatali and you are watching my YouTube channel Real Time Simulation World. So this is the second part of my series of lectures for Lab Core 1. So yesterday I discussed that how we can create simple VI, right? And after creating a simple VI, we developed a simple calculator program in which we perform two different types of operation, addition and multiplication, right? So let me quickly review it. What I did yesterday, I create here two numeric controls. Right click on the front panel and select numeric control, and I created one numeric indicator, right? And after doing so, I right click on the block diagram, and in numeric tab I select add function, and then I simply connect the inputs of this add function and one output, right? So this was one of the method that I told you, and the second method was you can simply right click on the block diagram and select multiplication function over here. After doing so, you can right click on either of the input, go into create and select control. This is my again, come here on the second input, create and control. So this is my second input, and after that, on the out of this multiplication function, create indicator, right? So yesterday I told you these two methods. Now let me discuss some other problems with you. You can see this front panel and block diagram. When I created that, you see they are not organized, or you cannot basically put it over here, and you need to again resize either this block diagram or this front panel. There's a shortcut key. Let me tell you, there's a shortcut key to organize both front panel and block diagram. uh, the first method is you should come here on the window and press tile left and right. When you click this, you see your front panel and block diagram automatically organized in a perfect manner, right? So you just come here on the window and press tile left and right, or you can simply press Control T to uh, simply manage your front panel and block diagram. Okay, so let me bring down these two here, the numeric indicator here. So yesterday I didn't save the VI. Let me tell you how you can simply save your VI. You can come here on the file and press save, right? After doing so, you can save it on desktop and name it my first program. So click OK. So your first program is saved. You see the name of this VI has changed to my first program, right? So let me just enter some numeric values here and here too, 6, and let me run this code. So you see 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 5 into 6 equals 30, right? Okay, you may close this VI, and let me tell you how you can open it again. So I'm closing it. Okay, your VI is closed. So you see, uh, you can open it from here as well, or you can directly click on this program. It will also get open. So let me open it from here. uh, Go to open, and this is your vi, and press ok. Right, when you open any vi, you only see the front panel. Now in order to see the block diagram, you have to again go into this window tab and show block diagram. Click on this, your block diagram will appear, or you can simply press shortcut key control plus e. It will also appear. Right. Okay, so this was my previous video. Now let's say we are interested to repeat this particular code indefinite time. Now to do it, you need to create loops, or we simply in any programming language we create loops. Now there are different types of loop in LabVIEW, but we will start with the most used loop in LabVIEW, and that is while loop. So let's create a while loop. How you will do that? You can create while loop by simply right clicking on the block diagram. Right click on this block diagram, go to structures, and here it is, second one, while loop. Now click on this while loop. You see your cursor trying to draw anything. Your cursor has changed. Now how you can draw? You can just simply click on the block diagram and drag it. Now as per your the complexity of the code, you should draw accordingly. So my code is very simple, so I just need this size of the window of the loop. So you see, in text based language, you need to type uh, code, but here in LabVIEW it's very easy to create loops. So this rectangular kind of thing is basically your while loop, right? Whatever the code you write inside this loop will be repeated indefinitely according to your set condition. Now let me tell you how you can set a particular condition. Okay, so this is your conditional terminal loop condition, right? Okay, there are multiple ways uh, of setting any particular condition. When that condition becomes true, your loop stops. Otherwise, it continues to run. Now let me simple create a boolean control over here. Now how you can do that? You can simply right click on this and create control. So when you create control, you see here stop button is created. You can resize it by simply dragging it, right? Okay, now let me run it again. Okay, my code is running, right? I can simply add is